Hey ladies, ready to elevate your content game in 2025? Let's be real, juggling business, life, and maybe even a plant can be overwhelming. But what if I told you there are ways to make content creation less stressful and more effective? This video is for all the amazing women entrepreneurs out there. My fellow dream chasers, my late night grinders, my I got this even when I don't queens. You're building empires, one brilliant idea at a time, and your voice, your brand, your story, it all deserves to be seen and heard. But sometimes getting that content out there feels like another full-time job you didn't sign up for. I feel you. I've been there, staring at a blank screen like it personally offended me. So today we're diving into 5 AI tools that will revolutionize how you create content, making it easier, faster, and more affordable. And when I say revolutionize, I mean it. We're talking about tools that are like having a super smart, super efficient assistant who actually you and doesn't need coffee breaks. Think less stress, more impact, and maybe, just maybe, a little more time back in your day to, breathe or plot world domination. Your choice. Meet Jasper.ai, your new best friend for beating writer's block. Staring at a blank page? Jasper's got you. Give it keywords and it generates content. Blog posts, social media, emails, you name it. Enhance your voice, break through creative walls. Jasper helps you start strong and finish fabulously. Try Jasper.ai and say goodbye to writer's block. Next on the list, and a personal favorite of mine, is Canva. Oh, Canva, where have you been all my life? Seriously though, if you're not using Canva yet, what are you even doing? This tool is a game changer, especially for those of us who weren't blessed with natural graphic design skills. The thing I absolutely adore about Canva is its user-friendly interface. It's so intuitive, even your grandma could probably whip up a decent-looking social media post on it. No complicated software to learn, no confusing menus, just drag-and-drop simplicity. And for us busy entrepreneurs, easy as everything. And let's talk about affordability, because we're all about that bougie on a budget life, right? Canva has a fantastic free version that gives you so much to work with. Thousands of templates, stock photos, graphics, fonts, enough to make your content look polished and professional without breaking the bank. Of course, they have a pro version with even more bells and whistles, but you can get incredibly far with just the free stuff. I used to dread creating visuals for my business. It felt overwhelming, and hiring a designer for every little thing just wasn't feasible, especially when I was starting out. Canva changed all that. Now I can create eye-catching Instagram posts, professional-looking presentations, flyers, business cards, even short video clips, all in one place. It's like having a mini design agency right at your fingertips. The templates are a lifesaver. Whether you need an Instagram story, a Facebook cover, a YouTube thumbnail, or even a resume, there's a template for that. And they're not just generic, boring templates either. They're stylish, modern, and customizable. So, if you've been feeling like your visual content is a little lackluster, or if the thought of graphic design makes you want to run for the hills, please do yourself a favor and explore Canva. Alright, let's get into our third tool, and this one is for all my video content creators, Descript. Descript transcribes your video, and you edit by editing the text. Delete words, and it removes them from the video. It's intuitive, saves time, and makes video editing accessible. Perfect for talking head videos, interviews, podcasts, and online courses. If editing has been holding you back, Descript is your answer. Okay, moving on to tool number 4. Which is a fantastic one for my fellow small business owners. Let's talk about Lumen 5. This AI-powered tool transforms your text content into engaging social videos super fast. It's perfect for repurposing your hard work into a new format. Just paste your text or link, and its AI gets to work. It pulls key sentences and matches them with relevant visuals, then lays it out on a storyboard, ready for video. It's like having a video production assistant. Ideal for busy entrepreneurs to repurpose content effortlessly. Turn your blog posts into videos to reach a new audience. The videos are perfect for social media. Short, snappy, and visually appealing with text overlays. Crucial for grabbing attention on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. You still have control to customize. Swap images, change text, add branding, and choose music. Customize to fit your brand voice and style. Create consistent video content without a huge budget. Maximize your resources. Compete with bigger players in the content game. If you have written material, Lumen 5 is worth checking out. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about a tool that many of us are probably familiar with but maybe don't fully appreciate for its AI power, Grammarly. This isn't just a spell checker, y'all. It's like having a tiny, incredibly meticulous editor living in your computer, constantly looking over your shoulder, in a helpful, non-creepy way, to make sure your writing is clear, concise, and error-free. The ease of use with Grammarly is a huge plus. It integrates seamlessly with so many platforms: your email, your word processor, your social media, even when you're just typing in a browser. Those little underlines, red for critical errors, blue for clarity, green for engagement, purple for delivery, become your best friends, gently nudging you towards better writing. And let's talk cost-effectiveness. Grammarly has a very robust free version that catches most common grammar, spelling, and punctuation mistakes. For many of us, that's more than enough to significantly improve our writing. Of course, the premium version offers more advanced suggestions, like tone detection, fluency, word choice, and even plagiarism detection, which can be super valuable if you're producing a lot of written content. But even the free version is a powerhouse. As entrepreneurs, we're constantly writing. Emails to clients, website copy, proposals, social media updates, blog posts, the list goes on. And how we write reflects directly on our brand. Typos and grammatical errors can make us look unprofessional or careless, even if we have the most brilliant ideas. Grammarly helps us put our best foot forward, ensuring our message is delivered with clarity and professionalism. So, whether you're a seasoned writer or someone who still gets a little nervous about putting words on paper or screen, Grammarly is an essential tool. All right, ladies, those are my top 5 AI tools to supercharge your content creation in 2025. We talked Jasper.ai for kicking writer's block to the curb, Canva for making design a breeze, Descript for editing videos like a pro, but easier, Lumen 5 for turning your blogs into shareable videos, and good old Grammarly for keeping our writing sharp and error-free. Phew, that was a lot. But hopefully, you're feeling inspired and a little less overwhelmed by the content creation beast. These tools are here to help you work smarter, not harder, and reclaim some of your precious time. Don't wait. Start using these AI tools today and watch your content creation soar to new heights. Pick one that resonates with a current struggle, give the free version a whirl, and see how it fits into your workflow. You don't have to implement everything all at once. Small changes, consistent effort, that's how we build. The goal here is to make your entrepreneurial journey a little smoother, a little more efficient, and a lot more impactful. You got this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips and tricks for us lady bosses, and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs who could use a little AI magic in their lives. Let me know in the comments which of these tools you're most excited to try, or if you have any other AI faves I should check out. Thanks for watching, and here's to your incredible success in 2025. Keep shining, keep creating, and keep building those empires. Peace out.